Tips for healthy eating habits. Developing healthy eating habits is essential for maintaining overall well-being. Here are some tips to help you establish and maintain healthy eating habits. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Eat a variety of foods. Incorporate a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. This ensures you obtain a wide array of nutrients necessary for optimal health. Control portion sizes. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes visually. Be mindful of your hunger and fullness cues and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not overly full. Include fruits and vegetables. Aim to consume at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber while being low in calories. Include a variety of colorful produce to ensure a diverse nutrient intake. Prioritize whole grains. Opt for whole grains such as whole wheat, brown rice, oats, and quinoa instead of refined grains. Whole grains are higher in fiber and provide more nutrients, helping to maintain steady energy levels and promote digestive health. Choose lean proteins. Include lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, legumes, tofu, and Greek yogurt in your meals. Protein is important for building and repairing tissues and helps you feel fuller for longer. Limit added sugars. Reduce your consumption of sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts that contain added sugars. Opt for naturally sweetened options like fresh fruits when craving something sweet. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain proper hydration. Water helps regulate body temperature, aids digestion, and supports overall bodily functions. Limit the intake of sugary drinks and opt for water, herbal tea, or infused water instead. Remember, healthy eating is a long-term commitment. Aim for progress, not perfection. Gradually incorporate these habits into your lifestyle and make adjustments that work best for you. Consulting a registered dietitian can also provide personalized guidance based on your specific dietary needs and goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.